With the TC-20M, you can easily create posters, POP, banners, wrapping paper, and more for a variety of needs without a computer. For class goals created by students or hand-drawn POP or menus. The printer's stylish compact size fits on a desk or shelf. From the front of the printer, you can set paper rolls, refill ink, and more. Large capacity ink tanks are built into the printer. Place documents up to letter size on the scanner and lightly touch the screen to select. Use the auto sheet feeder to print 11 by 17 paper sizes, or use roll paper. And enlarge prints to fit the width of loaded paper for large format sizes up to 24 inches wide for a variety of applications. Or use hand-drawn documents and scan them. And use the repeat print function to output to A1 or other large paper. No PC needed. The free web application Poster Artist lets you choose from a variety of templates to suit your needs and change the text and colors to easily create your own design.